Screen is visible, right? Okay. Because someone asked to do the revision of module 1. Sure, we will do it, but not today. I think 1 or 2 days previous to this we do that. Okay, from today let's start with the second module. So in the syllabus I already told what are the contents we are going to study in the second module. Mainly we will be studying about minimization using K-map, then using pin necklace key, all those things we will be studying in the second module. Okay. Before moving to the second module, means before moving to the con map, that is K map. So abbreviation of K is con, Kaurngh. So that is the name of the person who identified this method to simplify the Boolean expression. So that is nothing but a K-map. Okay, before moving, what exactly K-map? How using K-map we are going to simplify the Boolean expression. Let's study. Let us know how to write the truth table. All of you know how to write the truth table. Anyone is there who don't know to write the truth table? If you don't know, you can send whether you know or whether you don't know. I will be teaching you now. I'm not getting any reply. How to write the truth tables? Yes. Okay, I got only one reply. Only Arsha knows to write the truth table. Okay, now I got so many guesses. How to write? If it is three variables, then 40, 4 ones. If it is four variables, it is 8 zeros, 8 ones. Isn't it? Is it the way of writing the truth table? 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones, alternative 0 ones? Yes? Oh God. Is it the way of writing the truth table? That is not the way of writing the truth table. I think this is the way how you people practice to write the truth table. Okay, let's see how to write the truth table. So we can take the different number of variables, correct, right? Can we take only one variable? Can we have only one variable? Yes. If it is only one variable, what are the values we will be using to represent that one variable? However, we are going to study about the digital part from here onwards. So digital, so if you have only one variable, what are the possible values to represent that one variable? 0 or 1. Yes. So if it is only one variable, we will be writing it as a f of a. Correct, right? It is consisting of 0 or 1. Only one bit we are going to use to represent. It can be either 0 or it can be 1. Suppose if it is two variables, suppose if it is two variables, then we will be writing it as a f of a comma b. Okay, f of a comma b. Then how many different values we will be having? I'm asking how many. I didn't ask what are. How many different values you will be having to represent AB? Okay. We will be having four values. Can anyone mention what are those four values? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Good. Karthik mentioned only two. Above you can see there are 4 different values. Okay. Here few people answer. Aditya Raj, you can't use comma here. Aditya Raj, after between 0010 0111, you cannot use comma. If you use comma, it's like a different. So when it is together, it's better to write together. Okay. We got 4 different values, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Usually how we will be writing this? We will be writing it as a 2 to the power of 0. However, no need to worry about the single element. We will be not using it. So this bit represents A. This bit represents B. Correct, right? How we will be writing it? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 0 is nothing but what? 2 to the power of 0 is nothing but 2 to the power of 0, yes, it's 1. 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1, it's 2. Correct, right? This bit is equal to 1. This bit is equal to 2. Hope it's clear. So this bit represents decimal 0. This bit represents decimal 1. This bit represents decimal 2. This bit represents decimal 3. So you should know both the ways to write the truth table. If they give the decimal number, you should know how to represent it in binary. If they give it in binary, you should know how to represent it in decimal. Suppose, so if you see from binary we converted this to decimal. Some right now I am going to convert this decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. How to write decimal to binary? So no need to mug up 20210110. Please don't repeat that. Now you people are matured enough. Okay. So you are going to represent 2 bits. That is AP. So either you can write like this. Above this you can write like this. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1. Or you can write it as a 1 or 1 and 2. So what this decimal 0? Decimal 0 means both the bits are 0. Is 0, 0. Both the bits are 0. Okay. Now I have decimal 1. So what is this decimal 1? Decimal means decimal 1. So where there should be 1. So here if you write 1 then it will be 2. 2 is present. But if you write here 1 is present. So another bit will be 0. Next I have 2. Next I have 2. So 2 means here I have 2. So this bit will be 1. This bit will be 0. Next I have decimal 3. So decimal 3 means here 2 plus 1 3. So both the bits are 1. So this is the way of writing the truth table. Please don't mug up. Okay, 4 zeros, 4 ones, 3 zeros, 3 ones, like that. Okay, next we have, is it clear? Any doubts now? Is it clear? Is it clear how to write the truth table for 2 bits? How long you want to say yes or no? Okay. So 2 to the 2 bits means it is 2 to the power of 2. It is 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 means we will be getting 4 combinations. We will be getting 4 combinations. What are those combinations? It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, correct, right? So how can we write this? I already told. So this we can write it as a 2 to the power of 1. This is 2 power 2. So this is equivalent to your decimal 0, decimal 1, decimal 2 and decimal 3. Okay, this one we can write it in the products or min terms. Okay, how to represent this? This I already told, this bit represents A, this bit represent B. So how can we write this? So this first one I can write it as A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, or A dash, B dash. Is it clear? So wherever 0 is there, there we will be representing in terms of inverse. In terms of inverse means either it will be bar or it will be dash. Is it, have you used it in the basic electronics? Yes. Have you people used this in the basic electronics? 0 is represented in terms of reverse. Okay. Okay. Then A dash, B dash. Then this will be written as A bit is representing 0, that's reason it is A bar. B bit is consisting of 1, so it is only B. Similarly, A bit is representing 1, it is A. B is representing 0, it is B dash. So the next one, both the bits represents 1, 1, so it's AB. It's AB. So this is the way how we are going to represent this bit into min terms. Actually, you have two things here, SOP and POS. You will be studying SOP and POS. Now we will be studying SOP. Will neglect POS for time being, because if I teach both parallelly, you people will be get confused. Okay, forget about POS right now. Now we will be studying SOP. So what is the meaning of SOP? Sum of products. Okay, sum of products. Name itself suggesting sum of products, sum of products. Okay, this is the basic fundamental representation of min terms. This is the basic fundamental representation of min terms or basic fundamental representation of products. Is it clear? See, we will be using all the terms, products, min terms. Okay, we will be using all the terms, don't get confused. So this now right now we will be studying only about SOP, not POS. Just you think that POS doesn't exist on that, otherwise you people will get confused. So this is the way how we will be writing the truth table for two elements. Suppose now I have three elements. Now I have three elements. How to write for three elements? So three element means how many combinations you will get? How many combinations you will get? So you will get 8 combinations. You will get 8 combinations. So how to represent that? How to represent that? F of A comma B comma C. F of A comma B comma C. This is the way how we are going to represent in terms of functions. So next, how to write the truth table? A B, C. So you will be having three variables. You will be having three variables. Okay, now how to write the truth table? So the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 0. Next 0, 1, 1. Next combination is 1, 0, 0. Next 1, 0, 1. Next combination is 1, 1, 0. Next combination is 1, 1, 1. Is it correct? Is it correct? What I have written? Guys, you people should write parallelly. Hope everyone are with your notebook and pen. How to write this? I already told. This bit represents 2 power 0. This bit represents 2 power 1. This bit represents 2 power 2. It's like a 4, 2, 1. It's like a 4 to 1. So what is this equivalent? What are the decimal equivalents here? See, this is decimal equivalent 0. Decimal equivalent 0. This is decimal equivalent 1. This is decimal equivalent 2. This is decimal equivalent 3. This is decimal equivalent 4. This is decimal equivalent 5. This is decimal equivalent 6. This is decimal equivalent, sorry, okay, 7. One step, it's above. Okay, so you can write reverse also. If it is decimal number, this is I'm going to represent in decimal. Okay, if it is decimal 0, all the 3 bits will be 0. All the 3 bits will be 0. If it is decimal 1, if it is decimal 1, only this bit represents 1. Only the C bit represents 1. So it should be 1. Remaining all will be 0. Next decimal number is 2. Next decimal number is 2. So in these 3 bits, which bit is 2? Second bit. So this bit represents 2. Correct, right? This bit represents 2. Only that bit should be marked with 1. Remaining both the bits should be 0. Next we have decimal number 3. So decimal number 3 means 2 plus 1, 3. So B and C should be 1. Remaining bit is 0. Similarly 4. 4 means bit A should be 1. Remaining 2 are 0. Next decimal is 5. 5 means 4 plus 1, 5. So A and C. A and C are 1. Remaining is 0. Similarly 6. 4 plus 2, 6. C will be 0. 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So all the 3 bits will be 7s. Okay. This is the way how we are going to write the truth table. Please, whatever the things you learned till today, like 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 0, 2 1, 2 0, 2 1, please forget that. Okay. This is the actual way of writing the truth table. Similarly, here we are written the fundamental products or minterms, correct, right? Same way I can write it for the 3 bits also. Similarly, I can write that for the 3 bits also. So here all the 3 bits representing the 0. So it's A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar. Because all A, B and C, all the 3 bits are consisting of 0, it is represented by A dash, B dash, C dash in terms of min terms are the fundamental products. Okay. Similarly, next I have 001. 001 means A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. Next decimal 2. Decimal 2 means in binary representation 010. So A is consisting of 0, it's A bar. Next I have B, so it is consisting of 1, so write B as it is. The bit C representing 0, so it is C dash. Next I have 011, so 0 is A bit, so A dash. Next B is consisting of 1, write as it is. C is also 1, write as it is. Next 100, it's A, B bar, C bar. Next I have 101, so A, B bar, C. Next I have 110, so it is A, B, C bar. Okay, next all the 3 bits are 1, so A, B, C. This is the way how we are going to write the minterms for 3-bit function. Any doubts? For you people, you may feel silly why ma'am is teaching all these things. But still, there are few people who don't know how to write all these things. That's the reason before we go to the exact problems, we will be teaching how to write the truth table and all. Any doubts in this for 3 variables? Anyone is having doubt how to write the minterms or fundamental products? Okay. Next, we'll move to the next combination. So, what is the next combination? Next combination we have here is 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4. So, when we say 2 to the power of 4, how many combinations we will get? 2 to the power of 4. How many combinations? 2 to the power of 4. It's 16 combination. Can you tell me from where to where? Just tell me the range, starting and ending. It is 16. It's 16. 0 to 15. Very good. 0 to 15. So how to write the function f of a comma b comma c comma d. So this is the way how to write the function for the 4 variables. How to write the truth table? How to write the truth table? So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So the first bit represents, shall I write directly or you want me to write in 2 to the power? Okay, let me write both. Which one you want, you consider. It is 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 means it's 1. It is 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means this bit represents 2. So the third bit is 2 to the power of 2. So this represents 2 to the power 4 means this bit represents 4. Next is 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means this bit A represents 8. So it's looking 8, 4, 2, 1. 8, 4, 2, 1. So what are the different combinations we will be getting here to write the truth table? So you will be having 0, 0, 0, 0. So for A, B, C, D, all the 4 bits will be 0. Next combination is 0, 0, 0, 1. So this represents your decimal 1. Next 2. 2 means the bit C should be 1. It is 0, 0, 1, 0. Next you have 4. 4 means the bit B should be 1. So 0, 1, 0, 0. Next you have decimal 5. Decimal 5 means 4 plus 1, 5. So that is B and D bit should be 1. Remaining A and C should be 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So this bit represents 5. Next I have 6. 6, 0, 4 plus 2. So these two bits are 1. Next is 0. Next is 7. 7 means 0, triple 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Next bit represents 8. 8 means 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Next I have 9. 9 means 8 plus 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Next I have 10. 10 means 8 plus 2. 1, 0, 1, 0. I will reduce the font size. Next where I stopped? 10. Next 11 is 8 plus 2 plus 1. So A, C, D should be 1. D should be 0. 1, 0, 1, 1. Next I have after 11, 12. 12 means 8, 4, 2. 1, 1, 1, 0. If anything is wrong, let me know. So after 11, what is that? 8, 10, it's 14. Okay. 8 plus 4, 12. Next I have 13. 13 means 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. So 12, 0, 1, 13. Next 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. Next 15, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is it correct? Is this correct? Binary representation for 4-bit, is it correct? Yes, okay. Shall we write it in terms of products? Okay, before that, let me write in the decimal. So this represents decimal 1. Sorry, where 0 went? Oh, 0 is here. So this is decimal 0. This is decimal 1. This is decimal 2. This is decimal 3. Decimal 4. Decimal 5. Decimal somewhere missed 1, 2. Where it is missed. This is 3. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. 4, 0, 4. This 5. 1 step missed. 6 means 0, 1, 1, 0. This is 6. This is 7. 7. This is equivalent to decimal 8. This is equivalent to decimal 9. This is equivalent to decimal 10. This is equivalent to 11. This is equivalent to 12. This is equivalent to 13. 13. This is equivalent to 15. This is equivalent to 15. Let me delete this. Hope everyone are copying. Zero, 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 zero is equivalent to 1. Next, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is equivalent to 1. This is 0. Okay. Now we have to write. Now we have to write in terms of minterms or products. In terms of minterms or products. So how to write? So that is decimal 0. All the 4 bits are consisting of 0. So it is a bar, a bar, a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar. Next, it represents the decimal 1. Decimal 1. So 1 means D bit is 1, remaining A, B, C are representing 0. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Next we have decimal 2. Decimal 2 means A, B, D, 0. Only C is representing 1. So A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Okay, little it is very. Next we have decimal 3. Decimal 3 means that is 0011. So A bar, B bar, write CD as it is because bit CD is representing 1. Next A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Like that you continue up to 15. Like this you people continue up to 15. I want everyone to write it down in your notebook. I'll ask you to send the pic right now. Okay, I'll give another 2 minutes. Complete it fast. Hope everyone are writing. Complete it fast. People are telling that I forgot something to insert. Is it correct now? 0011. 0011. Here it's there. Truth table is correct right now, right? Guys, Vanesh, is it correct now? Okay. I want everyone to write it now. All for 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit. 2 bit, 4 bit, 3 bit. Complete it along with the products. Finished? Guys finished. Guys, please reply. Have you done or not? Is finished. Chandrakant, are you there? Chandrakant, are you there? Just take a pic of the truth table and WhatsApp me fast. Manik, Manik Chauhan, are you listening? Okay. Take the pic of your truth table and WhatsApp me. Let me see whether people are writing or not. Anish Shetty, Anish Shetty, you there? Anish, I think he's not there. Whatever the names I will call, if you are not answering immediately, then for that class, add Z. That is the only one thing I have in my hand. Anish, people are just logging in and going. So this is not like your theory subjects to get pass. Anish, are you there? Where were you? Take a pic and send me. Who is this number 329? Ending with 329. Okay, Chandrakant. Anish, Any doubts how to write the truth table now? Any doubts how to write the truth table? Shall we go further then? So now you people know how to write the truth table. Okay. Now, as I told before, okay, now we know how to write the truth table. What they will be giving in the exam or in the problem, they will be giving the min terms. I already told min terms can be represented in two ways. Actually, now we are studying about only SOP. We forgot about POS. POS completely we'll forget right now. Once we complete SOP, then we'll come back to POS. Okay. So while giving the function, okay. When giving the function f of a comma b comma c. Let me take for the three variable function. Three variable function. So they will be giving the min terms. Min terms we can write it in the two way. First way is either they can give in the product or they can give in the form of digital numbers. Sorry, decimal numbers. So when we are using the 3-bit variable, so what are the possible of the values we can have? Possible values. When we have 3-bit, what are the possible values we can have? Min terms or decimal numbers. 0 to 7. Okay. Maithili, between 0 to 7, can you give few numbers between 0 to 7? No, I told 3-bit, 0 to 7, between 0 to 7. A few numbers, 3 or 4 numbers. No, ma, write it in decimal. Give me it in decimal. So they will be giving in terms of minimal products or decimal. That you need to convert into binary, truth table. Give it in the form of decimal or min terms. Min terms no need. Give it in the decimal only. No, 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 no. These are called products. Min terms. You give it in the decimal only. Decimal like numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any few between 0 to 7. Fast. Decimal forms you know don't know 0 to 7. Yappa. Others? Anyone? Few numbers in decimal 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, she is giving 0, 1, 2, 3. Kavya gave 0, 1, comma 2, comma 3. So these are the min term numbers I got. So how to represent min terms I'll show it later. Like this, they will give it in the exam. For this, you need to construct a truth table. So how to construct a truth table for this? How to construct truth table for this? So I have three variables A, B, C. So what is that A, B, C? First decimal is 0, 0, 0. Oh, window close. 0, 0, 0. Next decimal is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next decimal is 2. That is 0, 1, 0. Correct, right? So this is my function. This is my function. They are given. I need to convert this function to truth table. So how to convert? So wherever these decimal numbers are there or wherever these min terms are there, in that place you have to place it one. You have to place it one. Okay. So means decimal 0 is there. So in place of F you will be writing 1. Next you have decimal 1. So in that function you will be writing 1. So again I have 2. So you will be writing 1. So next combination I have here is next combination I have 3, that is 0 1 1 0 1 1. Next I have 4, that is 1 0 0. Next I have 5, that is 1 0 1. Correct, right? Okay. Next function what I have? Next function I have here is even I have 3 here. So I will give it as a 1. Next I have that is 5. So Kavya is not selected 5. So in place of 5 you will be putting 0. Next I have 6. I think Kavya not given 6 also. So it will be 0. So this is the way how we are going to convert this function into truth table. Is it clear? Is it clear? Literally 0 to 9 representation, we will call it as a decimal numbers. What about others? Everyone are clear how to write? Okay, I will take 4 variables now. Pranav, I'll take it for 4 variables now. Okay, afterwards if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, now let me take for 4 variables. Let me take it for 4 variables. F of A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. F of A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D equal to. So what are the ranges I can give? Can anyone mention the range? For the 4 variables, what are the range I can use? 0 to 15. Why not 16? We will be starting with 0. So from 0 to 15, total numbers are 16. But it will stop at 15 because we are going to begin with 0. Can anyone give few numbers? Please not continuous. Not continuous. Between 0 to 15, give few numbers. Enough, 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 enough. Let me take what Maithili gave. 359, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 11, 13. Okay, 11 and 13. Comma 11, comma 13. So these are the numbers Maithili gave for the function. Correct, right? Now I need to write the four variables truth table. So what is that? A, B, C, D. So these are the four variables I have. Here I have output function also. Here I have output function. So what is the first combination? Decimal 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Correct, right? 0, 0, 0, 0 I have. So what is the function? In the function, is it 0 is there, decimal 0 is there? No. So when it is not there, in that place you have to write 0. In that place you have to write 0. What is the next combination? 0001. So that is your decimal 1. Is it there here? Is it there here? No, it's not there, ma'am. So in place of f, it is 0. What is the next binary combination? That is 2. 2 means 0010. Is it 2 is there? No, it's not there. So it is that combination also 0. What is the next combination? That is 3. 0011. Is it 3 is there in the function? Isn't it? Is it 3 is there in the function? Yes. So in that place, what you want me to enter? Yes. You want me to enter 1. Yes. It's correct. It's correct. So 3 is there. So in that place, you need to enter 1. Next combination is for 4, that is 0100. Is it 4 there in the function? No, it's not there, so it is 0. Next combination is 5, so that is 0101. Yes, 5 is there, so here it's 1. Is it clear now, Pranav? Are you clear now? Yes. Anyone is having doubt how to write the truth table when they give the function? So still if you have any doubts before you writing that, so this is for beginners, those who will get confused to write, for them I'm teaching. So you can write the decimal, you can write the decimal form first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are beginners, until unless you learn this, you can follow this method. First write on the decimal number 0 to 16, then write it in the form of, please don't write this together, okay, leave some space here. Then convert this decimal to binary. Write on the binary representation of the same numbers. Place it in the same line. Then in the function, wherever you have the decimal numbers, in that place you place it 1. Remaining all the places, place it 0. Is it clear? Guys, are you clear with this? Complete this. Complete this. Complete this truth table. If you are clear, complete this truth table. Up to 5 are written. For remaining 9, 11, 13 combinations, write it 1. Remaining all the combination, make it 0. Make it 0. I want everyone to complete it. Finished? Okay. This is the one way. Hope everyone are finished. If anyone not finished, please reply. I'll wait for some other time. Okay. Hope everyone are finished. So this is the one way. Okay. This is the one way they will give the function. Another way is three ways they will give the function. This is the one way what we saw till now. The another way is a comma b comma d. Another way is m2 plus m4 plus m8 plus m12 plus m15. This is the another way they will give. This is the another way they will give the function. Now we need to convert this min term to truth table. So how this looks? So this looks like f of a comma b comma c comma d. Right? A comma b comma c comma d. Usually the min terms are represented by sigma. I'll write here. Usually these min terms are represented by sigma. So you have to remember. So wherever you see this sigma symbol, which means that these are the min terms. So you have max called max terms also. Don't worry about the max terms. Don't worry about the max terms. So wherever you see this sigma, which means that min term, the min term is represented by the small m. Min term is represented by the small m. So what is the m2? M2 is 2, m4 is 4, m8 is 8, m12 is 12, 15 is 15. M15 is 15. So the sigma represents the min term. So sigma small m, please. Sigma followed by the small m, which means that which is going to represent the min terms for the given function. Okay, now construct the truth table for this. Construct the truth table for this. Fast. Construct truth table for this. Everyone construct. Once you finish, drop the message. I'll ask you people to give the pic of that. I'll give 2 minutes of time. I'll give 2 minutes of time. Please finish it fast. Someone sent pic of this. So 2, 4, 8, 8 to 50. Good. Hemant Reddy, are you there? Hemant Reddy? Naveen, good. Hemant Reddy, are you there? Bhanupriya, are you there? Chandan, are you there? Bhanupriya, can you send the pic? Hemant Reddy is not there. Chandan, Chandan, can you send the pic? Fast, fast, fast. Darshan Gowda, Darshan Gowda. Vishwajit, Darshan Gowda, Vishwajit. Are you people there? Send the pic fast. One more name I called, I forgot. Vishwajit. Vishwajit, are you there? Okay. Send a pic fast. Fast. How long you want to take a pic and send? Who's this? Number 8, ending with 812. 812. Where is remaining half of the truth table, pa? Vishwajit. Uh, Darshan, remaining of? Okay. Yes, I got it. Okay, hope everyone are clear. So this is the second way how they will be giving the minterm. So let me show the another way. Let me show the another way. So f of e comma b comma c comma d equal to a dash b c dash d plus b bar c bar plus A B A B D bar plus A B C D. Okay. Can anyone give the truth table for this? This is the another way they will give the midterm. Okay, midterm means they will be giving the products here. Can anyone write? Can anyone write? If you can, drop a message saying yes. Otherwise, let me give it for one or two combination. Later you can. Who's this number ending with 802? Is it Chandan? Okay. Guys, can anyone write? If you don't know to write, say yes. Say no. Anyone trying? Okay. Try it. By that time, I'll take the attendance. I'll take the attendance. After the attendance, let me see the answers. Type your reasons and keep ready. Lesson 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Please one after the one. Don't send it randomly. 1, 2 present, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is absent. 7 Aditya Kumar absent. 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Once again, okay, 19, 20 present. 21 to 30, 21, 22, 23, wait, 23, 24 present, 25 present, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 26.